This is the Blackberry Bold 9000, and in this video we're going to show you how to safely take apart the phone in case you need to repair it. First, remove the back cover from the phone, the battery and also the SIM card if it's in place. Next, using a Torx 5 screwdriver as available on the Repairs Universe website, remove the screws as being pointed out here now in the video. There is 6 in total. Once the screws have been removed from the phone, you can remove the back casing as shown here now in the video. It should pull off quite easily. Next, ease off the front cover as being shown here now in the video. Next, using a safe pry tool, release the LCD ribbon connector as being shown here now in the video. Once you have disconnected the ribbon, you can turn the motherboard over. Use a safe open pry tool to ease off the screen from the board. It is held in place with a bit of double-sided tape. You are now ready to replace the LCD screen.